So today we're going to build a chisel rack. Now I started acquiring a couple chisels, and I have some that various lengths and width. They even bought me a couple of fine 1/4-inch chisels, real nice Narex, in case I ever get excited and do dovetails. But I don't need more than 5 chisels. I only have 5 digits to cut off. Anyway, in case I don't cut them off, I need some place to store these. So let's get started building the chisel rack. So here's what we're going to do. We'll take a 1/2-inch piece of plywood, and we got a piece of walnut. We're going to drill holes in here so we can have our chisels hang down. We'll cut little slots in the front for them to fit through. So these guys will go in like this and sit down and sit flush, be up against the wall. So we need to know the measurement of the handles, and so I've measured the handle on this and then the ferrule down here so they'll fit nicely in the slot. So we got 2 different measurements, and we got all of our Forstner bits selected for our holes. So the next thing to do is let's get it drilled up. So the first Forstner bit we use is going to be for the chisels to sit in. So it's going to be about 3/8 of an inch deep at most. And we'll come back in and drill the hole size for the ferrule. So here I'm marking each of the locations for each of the holes, so I'll make sure I have my spacing consistent. Since I do have different size chisels, it requires different size holes. So this one here is a little bit smaller, and I'll have 3 of these holes this same size. The first couple I drilled are a little bit larger. Now I'll come back and drill all the way through to make sure these are the right sizes for ferrules, and then we take it over to the bandsaw and just cut out a little notches. Rough cut now to test fit to see how they hang. Okay, so far so good. Hey, and 2 to grow on. So now I'm going to take my little rack and glue a piece of plywood on the back of it so it can attach to my inside cabinet and hang there for easy access. You'll notice the white paper underneath my glue up. That's just kitchen parchment paper I stole from my wife's kitchen when she wasn't looking. Nothing to stick to it. It's best to use that. So I want to hang my new chisel rack inside in the tool cabinet, but we have a little bit of lip here. This thing will fit like here, so we'll have it somewhere like that. So what I'm thinking about doing is just trimming that off so it'll be able to close, and this will fit flush here. So that's what we'll do next. So after we realized that we needed 1 extra little piece on the back of our tool rack here to have this glued below the pegboard, so I cut a little piece and attached it back there. And now we're just gluing it into the cabinet inside. We'll have little braces to hold it while the glue dries. There we go. There we go. A nice rack holder for my chisels. Still got all my digits too. So if you liked our video on building a chisel rack for your tool cabinet, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more of our videos, hey, consider subscribing down below. And as usual, come back and see me real soon.